Hi. In today's Cloud Tips, I would like to show you a new feature in SuperOffice Requests, and that is a feature called Related Requests. If we look at the screen now, we can see that we have a ticket where we have a new employee starting. And the scenario here is that this new employee needs to have a mobile phone ordered and a laptop ordered. And then we have other tickets which are related to this order. So this is the ticket for the phone and this is the ticket for the laptop. What we want to do is that we want to relate these together to the main ticket. So this will be the parent ticket. And if we go here to related requests, we can add a relation. And we can say that we want to add a child to this ticket. So in this example here, we see that this is the mobile phone order. And here we can see that we will end up with request 39 will be the child to request 38. And this is correct. And then we can add a comment. And of course, we could change the relation type here to another type if you want that. But in this example, we'll use a child. So then we relate this as a child to the parent up here. But we also need to add the laptop. So we do the same thing here. We go here and we say that the laptop order should also be a child to the parent request. And then we relate it here. So now we see that we have added these relations, these children to this parent ticket. And if we go to the child request, we can see that this is now related to the parent. And the same one with the laptop, it is related to the parent ticket. If we need to adjust this or take away the relation, we can just select the relation and press remove relation. But this is an easy way to relate the tickets. If we go to the admin part of SuperOffice, of course, this is just a scenario where we think of something that might apply, but this can be very different from the different users of SuperOffice. So there's a possibility to go to admin and go to requests, and then you can create your own relation rules as to when do we need to keep track of the tickets by using this feature. And then we can perhaps say that on close, we want to prevent that the parent can be closed until all child requests are closed. So we are able to help the users to say that, oh, you can't close this ticket for the new employee because we haven't finished with ordering the mobile phone. So this is a way of making sure that the system can help you with these relations. If you want to read more about this, of course, you can look at the documentation in SuperOffice and find request relations. And then there's several more examples and features explained on how to use this. But this is a good way of using related requests to connect tickets so that when you're using SuperOffice service, you can make sure that everything connected is dealt with before closing the ticket. That was today's Cloud Tips.